and darkness mixture, light reflected on dark. I noticed that what's creating the reflection in the ocean is the light, the brightness compared to the lightness. And this is what creates an optical, and this is how you have to replicate this on a canvas. Yeah, so art is, and another fascinating phenomenon with art is I noticed that art it really enhances, if you know the law of attraction or anything metaphysical, your mind and matter, substance and attribute, we can all create reality. What I've noticed is that when you're doing art, your visualization, the quality of your visualization, when you get into art, you will notice that the quality of your visualization